Is your Samsung TV showing strange purple spots or a weird tint on the screen? Don't panic. This happens to a lot of people, and the fix is easier than you think. In this quick video, I'll walk you through simple, safe steps you can try at home to get your TV looking perfect again. No tools, no risk, just quick fixes that work. These purple spots usually appear because of a faulty HDMI signal or a small glitch in the TV's image processor. The good news is that most of the time, it's something you can fix in a few minutes. Start by making sure your TV is getting stable power. Plug it directly into a wall socket instead of a power strip, which can sometimes cause voltage drops. Next, check all your cables, especially the HDMI ones, to make sure they're not loose, damaged, or dusty. Unplug everything, including game consoles, cable boxes, and soundbars. Then test the TV on its own. If the purple tint disappears, one of those devices or cables is likely the problem. Once that's done, do a soft reset. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall, and wait for about a minute or two. Then plug it back in and turn it on. If that doesn't fix it, try a deeper reset. Unplug the TV again, press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds. Then leave it unplugged for around 30 minutes before turning it back on. This drains any leftover power and clears out temporary glitches that can affect picture colors. Don't forget to reset your external devices too by unplugging them for a minute and plugging them back in. If you're still seeing purple spots, let's look at the HDMI setup and your TV's software. A bad HDMI port or cable is one of the most common causes of color distortion. Unplug and firmly reconnect each HDMI cable, making sure they fit snugly. You can also try using a different HDMI port or a new cable entirely. If the purple tint shows up even on the TV's menu screen, it's likely an internal issue rather than something connected to it. Now head into your TV settings and check for a firmware update. Outdated software can cause all kinds of display issues. Once updated, adjust your picture settings like color, tint, gamma, and white balance. Even small tweaks can help reduce or mask the purple spots. You can also run the built-in picture test from the settings menu. It's an easy way to confirm if the issue comes from your TV's hardware or an external device. If this guide has helped so far, tap that like button. It really helps others find this video too. And if you've tried all these steps but the purple tint won't go away, your last option is a full factory reset. Go into General Settings, select Reset, and restore your TV to its original condition. Think of it as giving your TV a fresh start. It wipes all custom settings and often fixes the most stubborn color problems. That's how you fix purple spots on your Samsung TV without calling a technician. If this video saved you some time and stress, don't forget to like. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more easy TV and sound fixes you can do at home. Thanks for watching, and I hope your screen looks crystal clear again.